If you're over 40 and doing shorts, then you may want to reconsider. And I'm going to break down why and show you some numbers that will probably change your mind. Now, it's very easy, and I've created videos on this in the past, to get caught up in all of the new features that YouTube creates and thinking that you need to use them. And people have started to see the data now and realize that long form content and short form content don't always play well together. They don't cross over, and short views don't really turn into long form views. So they can actually damage the long form reach of your channel. But with that aside, you also want to look at your potential audience. Now, if you're over 40, then chances are most of your audience are going to be around the sort of 35 and above range, because we tend to attract people that are similar to us. You will naturally find that you get more women coming and watching your videos if you're a woman, and if you're a man, it's the same. And we attract those demographics who can relate to us the most. So that's why you always want to target an avatar in your videos and really be trying to focus on your potential audience, who they are, where they are, and what they're actually doing. So you will generally be attracting your age demographic. Now, with that said, if you're actually properly targeting your age demographic and you're speaking to them directly, then ask yourself, if you are over 40, do you watch a lot of shorts? And maybe you watch some, but do you watch a lot? I know I'm over 40 and I do watch some shorts for a little bit of entertainment, but most of my time spent on YouTube consuming content is actually with long form content, either podcasts or long form videos, and then a little bit of entertainment here and there for a short that catches my eye. But it's not really for consuming anything educational. It's just for a little bit of entertainment here and there, the odd cat video or whatever you like. It's just something that catches your eye. So I'm not really going to be catching nobody's going to be catching my attention with short form content that much in my age demographic. But the fastest growing age demographic on YouTube is the 35 and above. And that's obviously because there's a lot more people getting older. Since YouTube started, the people that grew up with it are now obviously getting older. And that demographic is getting bigger and bigger. So it's obviously a good opportunity there. But if the aging demographic and the largest demographic and growing demographic on YouTube is over 35, the question is, are they watching YouTube Shorts? So should you be doing both? Now, if you know that you actually want to do YouTube Shorts, then obviously just do a YouTube Shorts channel. But if you're doing long form and short form, and you know that short form can potentially damage it, and you know that most people who are older don't necessarily watch YouTube Shorts, and let me show you some data right here. So if I just go onto my computer, what you can potentially see here is that the oldest, so if I go here, we can see that the oldest demographic on the platform, as I said before, is the fastest growing one is over 35 and older. But if we come to find out information about shorts, then the largest demographic watching shorts is 25 to 34, followed by 18 to 24. So that means most of the younger demographic we don't really know anything below 18, because obviously there's the YouTube for kids, so chances are there's going to be an age-restricted one, and chances are as a YouTuber, you're not really going to be targeting that younger demographic anyways. But if we look at this, then we can actually tell that most people watching YouTube Shorts are of a younger than 35 demographic. So if you've got over 50, potentially 60% of people, if you take the 30 and above metrics on YouTube, are older than 30, that means that most people in that demographic are not watching shorts. So if you take into account what you know and how you consume, and then also the data here that shows us that most of the people watching shorts are of a younger demographic, then why would you create short form content? Long form content makes more money and it targets the demographic that you want. So as an over 35 creator and you're creating for that demographic, then chances are you should be creating more long form content. Now, that's not to say that there isn't a space for YouTube Shorts in future, but deciding between the two at the moment, especially how shorts tend to pull away from the long form content, I would say that most people over 35 should be focusing on long form content. And you can make shorter videos, but you should still be creating long form content versus short form. So that's what I think. But anyways, let me know in the video description. And if you would like more YouTube training in full, then you can join our free community where we have a full YouTube course completely for free. And you can also get access to myself. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you inside the next one.